morning students, this is your maths class and today we are going to learn about 0. Let's revise 0 first. There are 4 children on the bench. 2 children went out. How many children are there? Yes, it is 2. Now there are 2 children remaining on the bench. Again 2 children went away. How many children are there? Now there are no children on the bench. No means 0. 0 means nothing. Let's fill in the blanks. 1 minus 1 is equal 0. So students, 5 minus 5 is equal 0. Like this, you do all the sums. Next, see, Ankit had 5 dolls. He gave all of them to his friend. Now, how many dolls does he have? It's 0. Okay. Next, see, Maya bought 4 chocolates and ate all of them. Now, how many chocolates does she have? It's also 0. So students, like this you all do the sum.